Hi, I'm John at Northeast Discovery, and today I'd like to talk about the Keen Targhee 4 mid-height waterproof boot. I went to Alaska on a trip, and we took these up into the Yukon, and I had no problem with them. I stayed nice and dry, and it was very, very rainy in Alaska. When you plan a trip to Alaska, you never know what the weather's going to be, and these things are just great. So I can't say enough about them, but let's take a look. We're going to take a little walk with them. I'm wearing them today, and as you can see, there's a little bit of snow on the ground. Not a lot, maybe 3 inches. It's about 28 degrees. Last time I checked anyway. Sun's about to set. And that would be about 2 Celsius or minus 2 Celsius. So anyway, I took them through a stream. Yep, they're waterproof. And they kept me nice and dry. Can't complain about that. So, Keen, you got a thumbs up from me.